This is not your typical RV. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome Camper is a rolling masterpiece of speed, elegance, and innovation. Built by one of the most prestigious automotive names in the world, this is where hypercar DNA meets luxury travel. And, yes, it's just as insane as you'd expect. From the outside, it's impossible to ignore. The signature horseshoe grille, aerodynamic carbon fiber shell, and active rear aero flap screen Bugatti from every angle. This isn't a repurposed chassis, it's a custom-designed monocoque frame engineered for both performance and comfort. It sits low, wide, and bold on 24-inch forged alloy wheels. A power retractable staircase lowers when you approach, greeting you like royalty. Step inside, and you're entering a first-class suite on wheels. The interior is inspired by Bugatti's Chiron and Mistral designs, with stitched Alcantara, polished aluminum accents, and real French oak. The cabin lighting adjusts automatically to your circadian rhythm, creating a travel environment that feels like a five-star resort in motion. The living area features dual heated recliners with integrated massage functions, a motorized cocktail bar, and a massive 75-inch 8K old screen with surround audio tuned by DVLA. Every surface is touch-activated. Every movement is silent. In the kitchen, Bugatti didn't hold back. You've got a full ceramic induction range, a wine preservation chamber, and a built-in espresso brewer imported from Modena. The fridge and cabinets are camouflaged into the cabinetry with soft-close magnetic latches. It's minimal, but extremely functional. The bedroom is what you'd expect from a $2.5 million motorhome. A floating king-size bed with adaptive cooling gel, ambient ceiling lighting inspired by the night sky over Molsheim, and augmented privacy glass. Touch a button, and the entire rear opens into a sun deck with retractable loungers and a panoramic glass canopy. Even the bathroom is next level. A rainfall steam shower with smart aromatherapy, a Japanese smart toilet, and marble floors made from reclaimed Mediterranean stone. It's a spa on wheels. Underneath, the Bugatti Motorhome Camper uses a quad-motor electric system with a range of over 500 miles and up to 1,200 horsepower. It can hit 0 to 60 in under 4.5 seconds. Yes, in a motorhome, and with adaptive air suspension, every ride is buttery smooth, even on less than perfect terrain. It also includes level for autonomous driving, a 3D LiDAR system for real-time terrain analysis, and an emergency drone that deploys for aerial surveillance in off-grid zones. Safety, security, and sheer genius wrapped in carbon fiber. So what do you think? Has Bugatti just created the world's most luxurious RV, or have they gone completely over the top? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let us know if you'd take this hyperlux motorhome on a cross-country road trip. If you enjoyed this review, hit like, subscribe, and follow Future Drive for more jaw-dropping innovations on wheels.